So what is happening in the market right now? What is actually happening? Now, first of all, the Federal Reserve, which is the US central bank, they are ending its quantitative tightening program, and that's when they basically reduce the amount of money in circulation by selling off bonds they bought during COVID stimulus. Now, this is done after years of trying to cool inflation because inflation has been running literally so high for a very long time now. Since COVID, inflation has been going up really ridiculously. So inflation is cooling off, and they are basically doing this whole quantitative tightening program, just trying to cool inflation and bring balance back to the markets. And they're also getting ready to end that tightening, meaning they'll stop pulling money out of the system. Now, what does it even mean by them stopping pulling money out of the system? What this means for the economy and the markets is when the Feds end the quantitative tightening, it signals more liquidity, which is money, will remain in the system. More money will be in the system. It's generally bullish. This is generally bullish for risk assets like stocks, cryptos, gold, foreign currencies, and it is bearish for DXY. Now, why is it bullish for foreign currencies, risk assets like stocks, cryptos, and why is it bearish for the dollar? The reason is simple: supply and demand. When there's more supply, there's less demand. When there's less supply, there's more demand. For example, if let's say Toyota produces a specific model of car and they say there's only 100 of that car in the whole world, what do you think will happen to the price of that car?
It will go high.
Exactly. It will go very high because it's now going to be the first person to grab it, you're buying it. And the moment you are buying it, there's less amount in circulation. And that means the next batch of people wanting to buy it will buy it even higher than you've bought it. And after that, the next batch will buy it higher than the previous people bought it. And the price will keep skyrocketing high. That is the reason why the price of Bitcoin keeps going higher because there's a specific amount of Bitcoin that will ever be in circulation. But when it comes to the dollar, there's no specific amount of the dollar that will be in circulation. They could wake up tomorrow and print 10 trillion. They could wake up next week and print another 100 trillion. So that's the thing. And now there's more liquidity, more cash that will be in the system. So that's bearish for DXY. And that's also bullish for risk assets, cryptos, foreign currencies, gold, and including silver as well.